Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So boy TMK. On today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to earn on this new app guys. I'm gonna show you how to earn on this new app. This app guys is gonna pay you through your PayPal, and also they're gonna pay you through Bitcoin, and also into you can even get paid with Bitcoin Cash. But I'm gonna show you step by step on how to register, and also how to start completing your first survey, and how to set up your profile, just because people get it wrong when they're setting the profile and they end up like not getting tasks, and they don't make any money, and then they become mad at me. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to do that step by step, and how to start earning on this platform. But before we get to it, please make sure you consider subscribing on this channel, and also like on today's video, just because guys, you're helping the YouTube algorithm so that we can grow faster guys. So guys, I don't want to waste time. Let me show you how to earn on this service site guys. Okay guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your boy TMK. So guys, I'm gonna show you on this app how to earn on this app. You earn by completing some surveys guys. Okay guys, as I told you that I'm gonna drop this video today. So guys, I want to show you how to earn on this app. Okay guys, as I told you about this app, so we're gonna okay guys, as I told you about this app, now I'm gonna show you guys how to earn on this app guys. Please pay attention and watch this video until the end. So now I'm gonna okay, this is a new account guys. This is a new account that I registered for you so that I can show you step by step on how to earn on this one. As you can see, we have 0 coins now. We're having 0 coins. So I want to show you step by step on how to earn on this one. Please pay attention, watch this video until the end, just because at the end of this video I'm gonna give you a bonus guys. So please make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't forget to like this video. So as you can see, now I want to complete my first survey. As you can see, gonna choose English. So guys, I want to do this in front of you, just because I'm not someone who's going to tell you about an app and never show you how to earn on this app. I'm gonna do it in front of you guys, so that you see that this kind of surveys are simple, because a lot of people they don't qualify for the surveys. So that is why I want to show you guys how to start earning on this one. So as you can see, I'm gonna choose 26 6 okay 2000. Okay, I'm a male. My postal code is 1246. So guys, you're gonna put your postal code here, so that okay, next. Okay, 12 to 15k per month. So please make sure you answer the questions correctly, just because whoa, you won't get your points. As you can see now, I think I'm done with my survey. Let me say great. They want me to make a review. I'm just saying great, undo, submit, undo. Okay, I'm done. As you can see guys, as you can see, great job, thanks for completing your profile. We can now match you with interesting surveys. As you can see, I have completed my profile. So what they're trying to say when they say that great job, thanks for completing your profile, we can now match you with interesting surveys. They're trying to say that okay, they now have my profile, they now have my information. Is what I'm trying to say. They now have my information. So basically, the questions that I'm gonna answer on the surveys that they're going to give me is basically the same on that that profile that I created. So when you create a profile, make sure you answer them correctly, just because the questions that they're going to ask you during the survey is the question that you answered on your profile. I guess you understand. So please make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. Don't answer them wrongly, just because you won't get
you won't get approved for on your surveys, guys. You won't get approved. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm gonna leave other. Okay, so as you can see, now we are done creating our profile, guys. It's easy as that. So now we want to start earning, guys. So there are two options for you to earn, guys. Here you can earn by completing surveys. Sometimes if you want, you can take advantage of this referral program. You're gonna earn 25% survey commission, and your friend receive 250 starting bonus. As you can see, someone when someone register using my link is going to get 250. So I'm gonna get like 25% survey commission. You get 250, I get 25%, as you can see. So when you earn, I earn. Is what I'm trying to say. So now I'm gonna go back. You're gonna grab your link here. If you wanna refer someone, you're gonna grab your link. It's easy. Grab your link, and then okay, let me show you how to grab your link, just because some people they get confused. So you're gonna click share, and then if you wanna share on WhatsApp, you can share on WhatsApp. Facebook, you can share on Facebook. I don't know what social media you're using, but it's easy as that if you wanna refer someone. So as you can see, this is not a lot of money, guys. This is not a lot of money. This is not a rich quick scheme, whatever you call it, but it's only a way that's going to make you maybe 200 bucks, 100 rand, 50 rand. It's not something that is going to make you rich, guys. If you wanna be rich, I suggest you go and join the forex guru and whatever, just because here we're not gambling, we're not trading, we're not on forex, so there will be no get rich quick. So please, if you want that, this is not a channel for you. Here is for people who wanna hustle and make some extra cash using apps. So we're gonna switch on like teaching you guys how to do affiliate marketing. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do affiliate marketing. Now I'm still busy with it, so I wanna like know what I'm talking about first before I come and like make videos about affiliate marketing. So but we're gonna do videos like that very soon. So guys, so this one is for hustlers like apps and some of the website. We're not going to make a lot of money on that, so we're gonna switch to real business like affiliate marketing and drop shipping, as I told you guys on November. So please stay on this channel. So this app, guys, is gonna make you like small amount of money, 200 rand, 300 rand, or even 400 rand. If you're gonna work on this app, you're gonna make some that kind of money. So you're busy asking yourself how you're going to redeem on this website. But first of all, I'm gonna show you straight how to do your surveys, just because you guys can get confused sometimes. So I want to show you how to do your survey. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already completed my profile. I'm just going to skip this one, skip this question. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm just going to answer just because it's what they want me to. I just want to show you guys step by step. I'm gonna like say for like part-time Mpumalanga. So please make sure you answer well, as I told you, just because I don't want you to be rejected on your survey. As you can see, this one is a 15-minute survey that they're giving me. So but I won't complete it just because I don't want to waste time, just because 15 minutes is very long. I don't want to make this video to be long. This is the survey that I'm talking about here. Let me highlight for you. This is the survey. 15 minutes, I get like 200 points, guys. 200 points. So guys, you're busy wondering how are you going to withdraw. You're gonna come here where they say redeem, just because people are getting confused. You're gonna come here where they say redeem your points. You're gonna come here where they say redeem. So it's either use PayPal or use Bitcoin. So but what I love the most, okay, I'm using like two wallets for now. I'm using Bitcoin and PayPal, and also this one. I use this one, also this one. I also even have this Litecoin. What I don't have is this one here. I don't have this wallets, but I have all these wallets. So I can withdraw to any wallet that I feel like. As you can see, you're gonna choose PayPal if you wanna withdraw into your bank account, or if you're having like a Luno account, you can even request a Bitcoin. You can even request your money through Bitcoin. It's easy as that. So as you can see, for 10 USD you need like 10,500 points for 10 USD. What I mean by 10 USD here in South Africa, when you convert, I think it's around 170. Yes, it's 170, 150, 170, something like that here in South Africa when you convert into South African rands. So they need like 10,500. So on this one, 50 USD, they just need 50,500 for you to cash out, guys. For you to cash out. So guys, you can like register on this website. I'm gonna leave the link on my description. So if you wanna register, I'm gonna leave the link on my description, guys. I'm gonna leave the link on my description. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that each and every time when I drop, you'll be the first one to get a video. And also like to this video, just because guys, this kind of apps are new. Please jump on it now, just because these apps are new. You're gonna get paid, guys. You're gonna get paid. This is what I'm trying to say. You're gonna get paid. So as you can see, let me come here. So as you can see, guys, this is the new account that I created. This is the new account just because I wanted to show you guys how to earn on this one. So I registered a new account for you guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, I'm having now, okay, as you can see my balance now, I was having 0. As you can see now, I'm having 360, guys. I am having 360 coins, guys. 360 coins. As you can see, I'm having 360 coins. So guys, you can complete any survey that you feel like when they're giving you survey, come and complete and start making money today, guys. This is so amazing. It's so amazing. Please do what I told you to do. Follow the steps and you can start making money on this or on this kind of app. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. I love you all. It's your boy TMK Money.